welcome back to my channel, The Morning Pour. This is Holly. As you can see, I'm getting ready to do a Dutch pour. This black paint is nothing fancy. I did not have Amsterdam paints at this point in time when I was doing my earlier stages of Dutch pours. It's probably just some sort of black that I was able to buy at a good price in a big container. And I believe that orchid color is something that AC Moore put out in their inexpensive Nicole brand line, I think, or it could have been something like a folk art color. The gold is 24K Extreme Sheen. I believe that all the colors, or inexpensive colors that came in the 2-ounce bottles and mixed brands, as mixing brands causes more reactivity within the paint. If you're new to acrylic pouring, you may not have heard that before, so now you have. If you have been acrylic pouring for a while, then of course you know that. So here we go, I'm just drizzling on white. All of my paints are mixed with water to get the thinness that I want for the Dutch pour. And then I add about 2 or 3 drops of Floetrol. I only mix a small amount when I do Dutch pours because such little paint is used for the puddle portion of the paintings. So I use 2-ounce cups a lot of times, especially when working on smaller canvases. So yes, if you like what you're seeing so far, consider giving a thumbs up if you will. Subscribing if you think you might want to stick around and see more of my work. You might not know that yet if this is your first video that you're seeing, but stick around. This gets really pretty in the footage ahead. This was pretty. Look at how that developed there. I sped up the film so that it was more apparent and easier to visually see what happened there on its own. It's very fascinating, very beautiful, just in and of itself. It's so fun to watch the changes within fluid art. It's magical in some ways. How magical that had turned out just on its own with the blow dryer. Close-up look now. Look at the beautiful little cells and all those little details. And then the sparkle from the extreme sheen. Look at all those intricate little cells. They're so beautiful. Yes, the displayed results are coming ahead. It's beautiful. Wait till you see what this looks like when it dries. Parts of that area right there actually dry more gold in the end. I don't even know how that happened, but for now, look at, this is why I called it the opal part. Well, that last little bit, it has that opalescence viewpoint right in there towards the right. It's very, very pretty. I'm not usually this pleased with the outcome, but this one really has pleased me very much. Let me know what you think in the comments below. I'd love to know your take on it. See you again here soon. Subscribe and hit the bell if you want to be sure to be notified.